A local nonprofit is working to improve the mental health of others by connecting young adults with mentors to help them strengthen their mental well-being.
That's right. And News 2's Christina Lobo spoke with a man who's sharing his story of struggle to break down barriers for some who have been suffering in silence.
I was beaten and broken.
Patrick Harmon is 17 years into recovery and counting.
I had been through nearly every challenge that you can think of, whether it is stereotypical or not, of the challenges that people who are in active addiction face.
Results from a survey reported by the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration in 2021 show over 82 million people in our country live with a clinically diagnosed mental health disorder or substance use disorder.
It's important that I also say that I didn't stop and stay stopped the very first time. It took multiple attempts.
Harmon, who understands the road to recovery is long, is now helping patients as a certified peer support specialist at the Medical University of South Carolina.
As soon as I say I'm also a person in long-term recovery, you can literally see the light bulb go off that says, got it. I think he will get me in this process.
Harmon will be sharing his story as a speaker at an upcoming event called the Riverbend Recovery Rally.
I think it should be an exciting opportunity for people who are in recovery, people who know people who are in recovery or should be seeking recovery.
Luke Shirley, who is the founder and director of Quest, a local nonprofit, is helping bring awareness to the importance of taking care of your mental health.
And that's what's beautiful about this nonprofit and this event is we'll show of over 30 ways that you can do that.
Highlighting work from members of the community, businesses, and organizations across the Tri-County.
If we can just make our little dent, chip away at this big block and kind of help remove some of that shame and stigma, one person, one story at a time, one event like this, I think all of that effort is worth it.
The community invited to come together to support health, well-being, and recovery.
I love the word hope. And I hope in this event and everything we do going forward is kind of just that. It's providing hope and inspiration for people. And out of moments and times of great loss, tragedy, recovery, you can always find that.
If not for yourself, for someone else in your life, like a loved one or friend.
Once you get a small taste of what recovery is like, there's nothing else that can replace that.
Harmon hoping his story can help someone find a way out.
I think I'm a great father. I did my best to be a great employee at MUSC, and I try to be the very best friend that I can possibly be and always be there for someone who's in need.
This empty space behind me will be filled with live music, local food trucks, slam poetry, and people sharing their stories of recovery here at the Bend on Saturday, June 17th. In North Charleston, Christina Lobo, Count on 2.